Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit text in picture in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show edit text in picture. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture. Now find your picture. Now click for picture. Now click for insert option. That is. Then if you show insert from picture, now click for wrap text option. Then click for a none. Now we can see edit text. Now go to the text box. Now carry the text box. Now type apply from text. That's it. Then you show edit text in a picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.